Using sunscreen is supposed to protect you from skin cancer, but according to the Food and Drug Administration, requirements for over-the-counter sunscreen products haven't been updated in decades, potentially putting you at risk.
Wink News health and medical reporter Channing Frampton shows us how a woman in her 30s beat the odds and what the experts are doing to keep you safer.
I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a sister, I'm a daughter.
This is Beth Zimmerman. You can add skin cancer survivor to that list.
I had noticed a white spot on my shoulder.
You're still in your 30s?
I will be 40 next month.
That spot turned out to be melanoma.
What turned out to be a little small spot, no bigger than the tip of my finger, turned into about 25 stitches.
She says they got it all, but she'll be wearing sunscreen much more carefully in the years to come.
I'm definitely a little more paranoid.
But the products you've been using for years to keep your skin safe might not be working. For example, the FDA says insect repellent mixed with sunscreen might not be keeping you safe.
And the Environmental Working Group is set to release alarming new research showing nearly 60% of the sunscreens they tested wouldn't pass the new FDA standards because they don't block the sun enough or contain chemicals that can hurt you and the environment. Senior scientist with EWG, Dr. David Andrews, recommends using
zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. And those ingredients actually are used in the majority of products on our recommended list.
Newly proposed FDA regulations address different types of products to determine which are effective and which are not. While products such as sprays, oils, lotions, creams, gels, and sticks are generally considered effective, the FDA says newer products, such as powders, wipes, and body washes, still need more research. Dr. Melissa Piliong with the Cleveland Clinic says the amount you use is also a big factor.
So if you don't put on enough, then the coat is too thin and you don't get the protection that you think you're getting.
And to cover your whole body, you need about an ounce, which is enough to fill up this whole shot glass.
And I'm a big fan of hats and some protective clothing because those don't rub off or wear off and they'll last.
Physician assistant Kristen Schmidt's suggestions to keep you safe. She says the cancer can pop up in places you might not expect.
On your scalp, under your nail, even in your eye.
Which is why she tells Zimmerman and other patients to watch.
If things are changing, size, shape, if something's itching, bleeding, that's definitely a cause for concern that should be checked right away.
Warning signs Zimmerman will look out for herself and her family.
Had I not come in to get checked, who knows what would have happened.
And the FDA's recommendations are still in the works, and that report from EWG comes out a week from today.
So what kinds of sunscreen should we be looking for?
Well, the most important thing you want to look for is a broad spectrum sunscreen. That's going to cover most of the harmful rays that can affect your body and give you skin cancer. So just pay close attention to what you're buying.
Yeah. The amount was eye-opening, right?
Yes,
that was eye-opening.
I definitely need to use more and reapply often.
Yeah, take your shot glass with you to the beach.
Channing said so.
All right,
okay,
thanks, Channing.
I'll do it. Thank you.